Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for tuning in. Today's video we're going to talk about how to easily convert your PowerPoint presentation slides into a video or image format. So now I'm using Microsoft Office 2019. If you're using a different version, you might see differences on this application. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this PowerPoint. Click Save As and choose your folder where you would want to save your file. So I'm going to use this one, and here below we need to click on the image format. So we'll be choosing PNG file format. So once you selected the right format, the image format for your file, click Save, and here you need to click all slides, so all slides will be converted into an image format. And then be careful not to click the cancel button because it will disrupt the process and it will not produce all the slides. It will not convert all the slides. So here we have the directory where the file has been saved. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so alright, we got it all here now, 23 slides. Okay, so we're good with this one. Now we're going to save this into a video file format. Okay, so now we're going to record all the slides. You need to click here and record from the beginning. Then you just need to click on the red button. Then the process will be like this. Okay, you need to click on the cursor on your keypad to go with the slides, and if you want to give gap in between slides, that's fine. What I'm doing now, I'm using the time-lapse feature of my recorder just to show you what will happen during the process of recording the presentation. So here you don't need to click on the stop button. You just need to go ahead and close the file. So we're not yet done, so we need to click on the file tab, go to Save As, and choose your folder, same folder that we used a while ago. Then okay, then here below we're going to choose the MPEG-4 format. So this time this file will then be converted into an MP4 video format. So it looks like nothing is happening here, but actually in the background something is going on. Let's check it out. Okay, so here you can see yes, this is actually the file that we're saving now. You can see the X mark that indicates that the process is not yet finished. Take a look at this. So we have the status bar below, and you can see the progress that the file is actually saving or converting into an MP4 format. So here you don't need to use a third-party application if you're only converting your file into a video format. You can also add narrations using a microphone. Okay, and there you go. So what we're going to do now is we're actually checking the quality of the recording. Okay, we can see that it went well. The process gave us a very good quality of the video. So okay, I guess we're done with this one. Let's go ahead and try a different player. We're going to use a Windows Media Player in opening and see if we have the same video quality. Okay, alright, so I think it's good. Yes, it's good. So basically it depends on the hardware of your computer. If your computer has a high specification, it can provide you a better resolution of the video. Okay, so I guess we're done for this video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new today, and just pass it on, teach others so you can learn more. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for you to get more videos, click the notification bell so you will get notification if there will be a new video on this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!